Hello, this is my group from Lakeview High School, and we decided to do a project helping Mimi because she unfortunately has arthritis.
As you can see, we made a list of questions for Mimi before we interviewed her. We thought it'd be really nice if we could make something for her, that way she could play with her dogs once again. Therefore, we made a dog bone launcher.
We originally were going to make a toothpaste squeezer for her, and then we decided to make a dog thrower so she could play with her dogs again.